Hey guys, this is Grub and the Rangers here. We're actually here with an unboxing review. The pre-order, it said estimated arrival was today, but the UPS man did not come. And right before when I knew, I was like, oh, I gotta wait another day. The UPS man comes out of nowhere. Just comes, knocks on her door. So I've been actually waiting for this. You may, looking at the picture, whatever, but you may, if I've mentioned in other videos, you may know what this is going to be. So I'm actually not viewing it from a multiple stance right now, or tripod, what I usually do. So I'm just going to kind of cut it like this. So let's open this thing up. If you hear in the background, Zombies is on. And if you can see right now, just by looking at that, it's something ACU moly. So, and by the handle, you can either tell it's a backpack or a vest. So, yes, it is the OTV the OTV plate carrier. No, boss, get out of here. That's my dog. So, yeah, I ordered that. And then two, not just one, two dummy sat plates to go with it. And I got some other things in it. I got the bought a gift, inspect it now. Something, I'll look at that later. The calendars you always get. And, oh, this is new. Airsoft field guide from evike.com. I don't know, I may do something about that. Now here's what I actually ordered. Paper. Shipping thing. Yeah. Comment, rate, and subscribe. See you later.